recording?
Yeah. What about this
Just
crane?
put it on the car, because you'll see it from the car.
What about this crane? Cause this cool.
Yeah, don't record the man in the crane. Just record just the car. They're going to drop it right there where it's next to Daddy's at.
I wish Dad don't get crushed.
He's not. Don't talk like that. He's waiting on Daddy to get it. Look how they have the other ones all smashed up.
Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing, right? Hey guys. What, Dad's a fixer?
No, that's Daddy's lights.
Like,
Watch out.
he has a hat on. Oh, but I watch this. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch it from here. Come on. Why he's waiting?
He's waiting on Dad. Watch. Jacob, you didn't even get the car getting crushed, dude. You're a bad videographer. Whoa!